Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to budget your money. First, clearly define your financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment or paying off debt. Next, accurately track all your income sources, including your salary and any side gigs. Then, carefully categorize your monthly expenses, separating fixed costs like rent from variable ones like groceries. This initial setup is crucial for understanding your financial landscape. Now let's build your budget. A popular method is the 50/30/20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Prioritize your essential needs, like housing and food, over discretionary wants. Set realistic spending limits for each category to avoid overspending. Remember, a budget is a tool to guide your spending, not restrict it entirely, so be flexible. Budgeting isn't a one-time task. It requires ongoing monitoring. Review your budget regularly, perhaps weekly, to see how you're doing. Identify areas where you can reduce costs, like cutting down on subscriptions you don't use. Make necessary adjustments to stay on track with your financial goals. Life changes, and your budget should evolve with it, ensuring it remains effective for you. Finally, focus on long-term financial health. Build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This provides a crucial safety net. Consider investing in your future for long-term growth. Even small amounts can make a big difference over time. Remember, consistency is key to financial success. Also, for staying refreshed throughout your day, check the description for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals. It's a simple way to support your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.